Hey, it's me. You know, it's Omar. So, to those who know me and maybe don't know me, I went under the knife a few months ago, and since then, I was basically on bed rest. And I hadn't got out of the house in a while. And those who really know me, you know how much I miss driving. So, after about, let's say 6 or 7 weeks, some of my closest friends have got me out of the house after healing up a little bit and taking me back out to car events. So I figure, new surgery, new life, new me. Let's try something new. So I figured maybe we can just start documenting this stuff and see where it goes, just for fun. It's always great to capture the moment and do it with the right people, most importantly. That's where I think it really counts. But hey, I don't want to ruin the video by talking over this beautiful, supple leather interior in a bright red Ferrari, California. Just ask John. Just kidding. I'll check back with you later. Enjoy. So, as you can see, we spent a lot of time up Palomar Mountain, or as I like to call it, Palomar Mountain, you know, because like me, you know it's Omar, as if I didn't say that before. I'm your pal, Omar. Anyways, cringiness aside, what I did not say before is you've made it this far through the video. So if you had as much fun watching it as I did making it, hit that like, that subscribe, that join, and really show me some love. And if you have any comments or questions, list them below. I'd definitely love to hear you out on any ideas for content you'd like, or if you just want me to keep doing this. It's definitely been fun, and I'd love to do more of it. And I couldn't make it this far without you. So we eventually made it to the Socalfisti event, and it was great. We saw some modern day Alfa Romeos, some Fiat 500 Abarths, but what really stuck out of the crowd were the old school Alfas and Italian supercars. Some GT V6s, an old, I believe it was a 156. Some Mangusta de Tomasos, which originally had Ford engines in them from back in the day, but that's a whole other story for another day. If you'd love to hear me go over that history, definitely let me know. I'd love to share that with you. The weather was beautiful, the cars were gorgeous, the colors were hot, people were dressed well. It was just a nice occasion. And yeah, we made it towards the end of the show, but we still got to see some awesome cars. But overall, great day. It was great to get out of the house again, and I can't wait to get behind the wheel of my own car again. Special thanks to Sabrian, Sachin, of course Viraj, his lovely wife Darian, John, the other John, Manny, and Ken. It was really cool to hang out with all you guys. Love to do it again, and can't wait for next time. If you loved watching this video as much as I loved making it, let me know. Hit that like, subscribe, maybe even join the channel. It'd be great to hear from you. If you have any comments, concerns, questions, put them down below. Until then, take care of yourself. Be kind to others. Just do you. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.